Hi and welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today we try and factorize this really long, really complicated expression. Let's see if we can do it. All right, so as we get started here, immediately we see that there's some x squares and there's some x's and then there's some xy's. And so maybe this could be the expansion of something to do with x and y together. And I've put the identities on the right-hand side here. When you expand a plus b squared, you get a squared, 2ab, and b squared. So if it was the expansion of something like 5x plus y squared, well, I would expect to have something that has a y squared in it. And there's no y squared here, so it can't be that the y is included in the expansion. So immediately I'm kind of discarding the terms that have y's in them, thinking that maybe I should just focus on this thing and try and see if I can factorize this in terms of x. Now, looking to see if I can factorize this with just x's, it doesn't seem to me that this is a perfect square expansion at all, because the bit in the middle and the 2 at the end don't look that like they would be 2 times a times b. So I don't see that there's any perfect square expansion. So I'm going to say that these identities for now, even though I had to run tests to see if they're correct, are not really going to work in this situation. So this leaves me with quadratic factorization, and it might be possible to split the middle term on this first section here. And so if you don't know how to split the middle term, I would encourage you to go and watch this video, which is on our channel and has everything you need to learn how to split the middle term. So assuming that knowledge, we're going to look at the first section here and think about how to factorize 10x squared plus x minus 2. The first thing to do is to do 10 times negative 2. And once we have this, which is negative 20, we're going to look for factor pairs which multiply to negative 20 and add up to positive 1. So the positive 1 is the plus x in the middle here. So pairs of numbers that achieve that, well, actually there's a very good pair of numbers, and it is the pair positive 5 and negative 4. If you had positive 5 times negative 4, then that would multiply to negative 20. And if you added 5 to negative 4, then it would add to the plus x in the middle. So we're going to split the middle term on this first section, this first quadratic here. So now that I've found a pair of factors of 20 which add up to 1, I'm going to use these to split this term here, the x in the middle. This is what the splitting the middle term technique does, and it helps us to factorize. And so rewriting the expression as 10x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 2 plus 6xy plus 3y, I have split the x into 5x minus 4x using this factor pair. Now, splitting the middle term is a super cool technique to factorize quadratics. Working on the first section here, I can say that this is 5x factor of 2x plus 1. And then here, working on this second section here with the minus 4x and the minus 2, I can say that this is minus 2 times, and we still have 2x plus 1. So when you split the middle term, you should see a repeated factor like this. And then at the end, I realized that if I factorize by 3y, I can say plus 3y factor of 2x plus 1. So this is looking really good now. I recognize that I have a common factor in all of these expressions, and so really what I can do is I can group them together. The way that you could think about it is if you have AB plus AC plus AD, we're happy to say that this is A times B plus C plus D. We have this common factor everywhere. And so if you think of 2x plus 1 as the same as this A here, it's okay to extract 2x plus 1 and then put everybody else in a bracket and add them together. And so doing exactly that, I'm going to take out the 2x plus 1 and open a big bracket in which I will put my 5x minus 2 and then plus 3y. And I don't think we can factorize much further than this, since we can't put x's with y's in the second bracket. This is going to be probably as good as we can do with a question like this. So final answer, 2x plus 1 times 5x minus 2 plus 3y. Thanks for watching this video today, which was definitely challenging. Please like and subscribe to the Mathemagic channel to watch more of our math videos, and we shall see you on the next one. Goodbye.